Clary sage, also known as Salvia sclaria. Clary sage is said historically to have a very intoxicating, euphoric effect on some people. Because of this, its warning is not to use it if you're going to work or if you're going to work machinery. And this euphoric effect certainly shouldn't be mixed with alcohol. Clary sage, though, is the most effective hormone balancer, particularly for women suffering from PMT and the menopause. And certainly over the years I've had a lot of benefit from clary sage when I've one minute been very irritable and angry and the next minute been very weepy. And I find that just bathing in clary sage or burning some in an essential oil just once even is enough to rebalance the hormones. It's very good for depression, for anxiety and stress. It's also good for aches and pains, muscular aches and pains, arthritis, rheumatism. Its contraindication is definitely not to be used in pregnancy and also to avoid alcohol when you've used it. So clary sage would definitely be in my top 10 of essential oils.